You're gonna ask Lainey how she's feeling. How do you feel?
Sick. I'm sick.
Do you feel sick?
Yeah.
Oh. We have a very sucky baby here today.
No.
This is bring the Paris' back to her classroom now, okay?
The one.
Which one?
The one.
No, we can go up there. We're not allowed. Someone is not feeling 100%. Where do you want to go? There? Okay. Shall we put this in Ate Paris' classroom first and then we'll go back there, okay? Okay, good girl. So this little girl had a fever last night. Nagising kami around 3 o'clock. Pinainom ko siya ng gamot. Hindi niya ininom lahat. Kasi sobrang iyak niya. Hang on. We'll put Ate Paris' bag in her classroom first, honey. Come on. We'll go that way. We'll go this way first and then we'll go back, okay? Oh my goodness. Come on. Don't cry. Okay? We'll just put Ate Paris' bag.
No.
And then we can go back there. Okay?
No.
So, hindi pa rin siya, ano guys, yung kanyang ilong ay baradong-barado pa rin. A little bit of cough. And, yeah. Kaninang umaga, wala na naman siyang lagnat. You want ate? Ate wanted to have a cuddle and kiss. And you wouldn't give it to her. See, iba talaga yung bata kapag may sakit.
I want daddy.
You want daddy now? Daddy's working, remember? I'll just put Ate Paris' back.
No.
Daddy's working in the office.
No.
Naging miss na siya ngayon. Do you want some water? Here, oh.
No. No.
Oh my goodness. Oh, we have to deal with a very sticky baby today. Alam niyo ba, dapat sana ay meron kaming nakabook na childcare tour at 9:30 this morning. But kagabi, I had to reschedule it for this coming Friday kasi alam kong hindi to siya magiging okay. And I don't think it's good na dalhin ko siya sa childcare na hindi maganda yung pakiramdam niya. So, I reschedule it. What is it, my love?
I want mermaid. I want mermaid.
So, may tour sana siya this morning. Yung childcare na pinuntahan ng atin. What is it, love?
I want mermaid.
Which one?
Mermaid.
Mermaid dress?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll go home and get the dress, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Oh, it's so hot today. How are you feeling, my
It's
love?
hot.
I know, right?
Hot.
Hot. How are you feeling?
It's hot.
Hot? You feeling hot? Oh Josh. Ayaw pa niyang ipahubad sa akin yung damit niya kaya na nakadress siya. Kagabi, kailangan niyang matulog na nagdress ng princess dress kasi ayaw mo niya talagang tanggalin. This morning, I had to kasi natulog na siya. Yun yung suot niya. Gusto pa rin niyang suotin. Where's ate there?
Don't know.
Oh, where's ate? Look, that's ate.
No.
Mm-hmm.
This is Ate Mom.
Ate's here. See?
Oh.
Oh,
Ate.
that's ate. I told you.
It's Ate Do.
Yes. What's ate's name?
Do.
Pa.
Paris.
That's right. Ate Paris. Yay. Tignan niyo guys. Magluluha yung mata niya. Ano talaga yung ulo nito?
I want mermaid dress.
You want mermaid dress? Okay, let's go home and get a mermaid dress, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I love you, my love.
I want mermaid dress.
Mermaid dress. Hi. Thank you. Show Tita and Tito your lips. Show Tita and Tito your lips. Wow, ay, shush, tingnan niyo ang mata. Kitang-kita talaga, no? Sa mata makikita ang aking damdamin. Kikita niyo talagang hindi maganda ang kanyang pakiramdam. Tingnan niyo. She's been asked to kilala today. Alam niyo ba, kanina, so hinatid namin yung ate niya. Gusto ng ate niya na humalik, tsaka mag-cuddle. Kasi yun naman yung ginagawa talaga nila, di ba? And, ito siya. Sinipa ang kanyang ate, guys. Wala talaga kasi ito siya sa mood. So, ayaw niyang kumain, but nagdidede naman siya. So, I know, hindi siya gutom. And, kakagawa ko lang ng lugaw. Kasi, hoping nakakain siya ng lugaw. Kasi she drinks milk.
The milk.
What's this one?
The milk.
Porridge. Can you say, lugaw?
Lugaw.
Ay, lugaw! Good girl. The lugaw. Are you singing? I wanna come home to roses. Ay, beautiful girl mo na ang baby. Ay. Alam niyo, pagka uwi namin, ay kaagad, tingnan niyo, pinasuot niya ang kanyang damit. Actually, yung mermaid yung pinasuot niya kanina. Tapos, maybe, she looked at herself in the mirror and sabi niya, hindi ko masyadong bet. So, nag-change siya dito sa purple na kailangan ko ng labhan. Ito yung tinulog niya kagabi. Ayun niyang ipatanggal. Wow, beautiful. Manang lips lang. So, wala kaming ginawa this morning. So, umuwi lang kami. Dito lang sa bahay. Yan siya, pahiga-higa dyan. And then, yeah, papakainin ko siya nito. I'm just cooling it down now. And, magnanap siya hopefully. Kasi 11:30 na ngayon. Yeah, what did you do? Close it. Boom. Close. Kailangan kong pumunta ng post office later after. Well, plano ko sana before pick up Ate Paris, but it's okay. We'll just do it after picking up Ate Paris kasi may nabenta si mami niya. Kailangan kong i-post. Ay, wait, what is that, baby? Do you wanna show? Yeah. Oh, wow, beautiful lips! Oh, gosh! Okay, makita mo kalungat lang. Kalungat ang bataan niya, yung isipon. Oh, be careful. I'll show him your dress.
Why don't wait?
Go away.
It was
Go away.
yeah.
Beautiful dress. Wow! Okay, we'll go down the lugaw ha. And we'll have lugaw. Hopefully she'll eat kasi hindi siya kumakain ng binigyan ko siya ng saging. Binigyan ko siya ng yogurt. Kanina, ayaw niya. Nag-ano din ako, nag-boil din ako ng itlog. Do you want egg lang?
No.
No?
This.
This.
Stop.
Up?
Test.
Oh, can you sing? This is a new microphone. You sing? Mommy. You sing, mommy, mommy.
Here.
That's your microphone. Okay. Halawa na. Halawa na. Sing.
Mommy.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Stop.
Help.
Stop.
Oh, sige na. Sing na. Mommy. Good girl. Very strong.
Mommy.
Yes, Lily.
Help money. I said.
Gugu gaga. Bata nga palang ka di mama.
Whoa.
What's in there? What did you see? Uy,
It's Midas.
what is in there?
It's that one.
Charger. Can you say charger?
Georgia.
That's right. Well done. It's currently 2:48 ng hapon, guys. Nandito ako sa likuran ng sasakyan kasi pinadedicate ko to. Kakatapos lang kaya ano na naman Energetic na naman siya.
It's that, Mom.
What is that?
It's that one.
A straw.
Joe,
Yes.
open.
Do you want to open?
Yeah. Just open.
What do you say?
Thank you, Mom.
No, I say please.
Please. It's that one.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Wow. You can have it. You can have it.
No,
No? Pina-open lang pala sa akin.
this.
God. Sobrang init sa labas, guys. Kaya hindi kami lumabas muna. And also, dito ako nakapark sa harapan. Kaya, we have to stay here until, 2:55 at least. And then, takbo tayo. Kunin natin si, Ate Paris. Your eye, what happened? Show me. Ang galaw-lawa ang mataani.
A few moments later.
We're in the car and naka-twinnings ang ating girls. Where are we going?
Irene's house.
Where are we going, Nini?
Cause yeah. Well, Anya.
Ano?
She says
Yeah.
Anna, but her
So,
name is-
kanina, in-invite kami nung pinick up namin sa Ate Paris. In-invite kami ni Ate and Amy. Nasa kanila daw mag-dinner. Yung friend na Ate Paris na, yung friend namin na Thai. So, doon daw mag-dinner sa kanila. Ngayon lang kami aalis kasi ang ating baby Celine ay hindi nakapag-nap earlier, di ba? So, pagka-uwi namin from picking up Ate Paris, ay nakatulog ang ating baby Celine. So, hinintay muna namin. And we just parked outside Woolworths kasi bumili ako ng drink para dalhin doon. Give it to Mama? Finished?
I want pink.
You want pink? No, you can't just eat the top, honey. You have to eat the whole thing.
I want pink.
Ayoko na sana, guys. Pero itong ating Ate Paris ay umiiyak man. Sabi ko, di na siguro tayo pupunta kasi si Celine ba? Pero wala naman siyang lagnat.
I want pink.
You want pink? That's pink, see? See? Pink!
No, I want pink.
But yeah, she's okay. Ang Ate Paris ay paiyak-iyak na.
No, one.
Kasi gusto niyang pumunta. So, sabi ko, we'll just go and it will be a quick one. We'll come home.
But Lily said she wants it blonde.
No. Yeah, maybe Lini will change when she gets there and she'll have friends. Okay. Wala si Daddy Mike dito ngayon kasi si Daddy Mike ay nag-work sa office, diba? Sabi niya, ano na lang muna. Sa bahay na lang muna siya. So, hindi pa kami nagkita, hindi pa kasi siya nakauwi. Sabi niya, it's okay, I'll just wait for you when you get home. So, ayan, bit-bit ko yung dalawa. And, you good, Lini? Sipon-sipon pa more?
Mommy.
Yes, Baba. Do you want the shoes on, honey girl? I think they got the shoes on. They want to go outside.
Mommy.
Yeah.
I want pink.
Oh, look. They're taking everything outside. Wow. Yeah? Make sure it's okay, ha? You ask Mom first.
No.
Pinasok na ang... Wow. Yes, my love. Nak, where did you get your headband from?
That's Anya's, but it's okay. She's still pretty.
Thank you,
Anya
Irene.
doesn't care if she eats it. She wants her mommy.
Yeah. Oh, thank you, Baba. Are you the doctor? Thanks for helping me. They're eating now. Got pizza for the kids. Baby! Ate, come muna. Start na, te. Ate, start na. Look, Irene has started already. Good girl. Lini, apa yun, Ling Ling? Look.
Also, Anya.
Tingnan nyo. Nasa ibang bahay, nag-shower. Ate Paris nandun din. Shower. Tapos na. Yeah. What did you say? What's in there? What's in there? Is that a toy? Uuwi na kami very soon. Kasi late na. School pa bukas. What can you see? The car? Can you see our car? Yeah, we're parked there somewhere. I think our car is...
Wait. Leave. What's this?
What's that? You try first.
Ready.
Already. Started.
Spot.
That's
enough.
well done. Kauwi na kami. Oh. Tignan nyo, malaki na talaga. Oh, marunong na mag-open. Okay, good job.
Help!
Tignan nyo itong dalawa. Walang kapaguran. Diyos ko, Lord. Yan, nakabihis na pang tulog, oh. Tingnan nyo. Oh my goodness. Itong isa, doon, kanina. Kulapyot, mag-unggoy.
Actually, go first.
Enough na, babe. I'm gonna turn the light off now, okay?
Help! Wait. Help! Grab this.
There we go. Tingnan
Here,
nyo.
leave.
Kiyat na. Mantag din na nihilantan, eh. Sana hindi na to siya lagnatin mamaya ba. Kasi normally sa gabi, maandar. Pero she's good. No, she's got, tawag dito, runny nose. But apart from that, she's good. Let's ask Lainey how she's feeling. How do you feel?
Sick. I'm sick.
Do you feel sick?
Yeah.
Oh, no. You're not feeling better?
Yeah.
Hi, come here. You're not feeling better?
Yeah.
Oh, Lord. Say? Night, yes. It's bedtime now for these girls. So, thank you for watching, titas and titos. Hey! No. Uy! Nini! Wake up, ate. Tell ate to say night. Hey! Good night, girls! Good night, girls! Brum, 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 brum. Uy! Good night na. Good night. Night. See you in our next vlog, guys. Love you. Bye.